Well, during COVID, because I'm a single carer, I was able to pally up with your family, wasn't I?
Yeah, because Lisa and I live close.
Yeah. We literally lived 2 streets away.
We had lots of doorstep visits, didn't we, at that time? We had like little get-togethers in your front garden.
We were so lucky to be able to do that, to be honest. Obviously, a lot of other people didn't have that luxury, but for me, obviously being on my own, and obviously having you around the corner, we were able to sort of,
support each other, really. You were on the other end of the phone. We had a couple of hour conversations sometimes on the phone, didn't we, about what's going on, this issue and this
scenarios
pandemic.
Happened, how the kids are feeling, and giving each other ideas of how to keep children busy and stuff like that, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was a bit of a tough time with that homeschooling.
I was lucky because the child that I'd got with additional needs, he still went to school, so I didn't have to do homeschooling. That was really good,
Yeah. It was a bit tougher looking after the child that I have with additional needs. It was a bit tougher because I wasn't a school teacher, was I? I was a mum role.
Yeah.
So it was hard, but we got through it. We all lived to tell the tale. Yeah. And the good thing about, I guess, COVID was more intimate time with the children.
Yes, it did.
And it gave that opportunity to, experience them, if you like, in their MERS.
No, it was.
In a more sort of intense, intimate kind of time.
I had a child that come into placement the day before we went into COVID lockdown, and
that's what you did,
and she stayed with me up until she was 16, and then moved out after. She had a full year of finding herself, and it was the best thing that actually, there's always a silver lining. It was the best thing that ever happened to her. Just sort of being in a small household, with me and obviously my birth child. It was fantastic for her, So lots of negatives for COVID, but lots of positives as well.